Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, please. How do I enroll at this school?
What's your name, please?
Ahmed Ben Sawa.
Well, Ahmed, you first need to complete an application form and send it to our course administration. I'll get you one, but you can also do it by using our site on the internet.
Oh, thank you. Can I fill it out now?
Yeah, if you want to fill it out now, you'd better go to our computer and language centre and use the internet there. The assistant will help you.
Yes, I'd like to do that. How do I get there?
I'll walk you to the centre. Please, follow me.
The layout of the various areas and rooms is such everyone should be able to move around freely.
Here we are. Stefan, could you help Ahmed out, please? He wants to enrol at our school.
Thank you, miss, and goodbye.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Excuse me, miss.
Oh, hello, Ahmed. You wanted to ask me something?
Yes. What happens now? I've just filled out the application form on the internet.
You will be invited for an interview, an intake, as we call it.
Uh-huh.
And we'll also check the documents that you have to bring with you.
I see.
You might even have to do a test to check whether you're eligible for the course that you want to do.
Oh, I understand. Well, thank you again, and goodbye.
You're welcome. Goodbye.